Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Thursday. It is Thursday, August 21st, 2025. Apparently, I don't know the date. Nevertheless, Jeremy Crosby still here, still doing the TF updates. And we'll start with some road closures coming in this week. We start with Sassafras Drive closure. Started earlier this week. Work will continue here from Big Blue Stream Parkway to Crinkle Route Drive. Closure is a week-long resurfacing project and weather-dependent paving scheduled to take place in the next 1 to 2 weeks with specific dates depending on the weather. If you got any questions on this closure, please reach out to Ben Schulte from our Public Works Department. Maloney trail closure. This road closure is to through traffic from, Bluegrass Lane to East Hill Drive. This is August 25th through August 29th for culvert replacement work. Dates may shift in the event of rain delays, and we will send out updated notices if there needs to be. Again, Ben Schulte is the contact from our Public Works Department if you got any questions there. And then Fitchrona Road will be closed August 27th through October 17th. This is for road improvement work. Traffic will not be able to pass through this area during this time. Please use alternative routes. And for more information on this project, you can contact Tracy Foss from our Public Works Department. Again, we'll provide you any updates that come in for these projects here on Talking Fitchburg on our daily newscast. Otherwise, you'll get it from your Notify Me or on the city's website and social media pages. Hey, the splash pad still open, but will be closing after Labor Day weekend. That's right. You still got plenty of time. Daily hours are 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Through Labor Day. It's located at McKee Farms Park, 2930 Chapel Valley Road. It's been so muggy out. Why not go out to the splash pad and have some fun? Bring the kids, pack a towel, and enjoy some summer fun in the sun. Hey, the Fitchburg Senior Center Friends Brat Luncheon is coming up this Friday, August 22nd. It's from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Drive-through, dine-in, or enjoy right on the patio. Fitchburg Senior Center is where you want to be, 5510 Lacey Road. The cost is just $5, cash only. It includes, get ready, a brat, a bun, chips, water, cookie, and condiments. This is a friend raiser. Remember, cash only. And I would tell you, yeah, better come early because they sold out really quickly. Filled up fast and people got on their brats, so you're going to want to come early, just saying. All right, an upcoming tree removal. You may have noticed this along Fish Hatchery Road near the DNR offices. They've been working on tree removal. This is from the west and northbound lanes, west-northbound boundaries of the DNR campus. This work will be completed here as part of American Transmission Company easement maintenance. It says here from the DNR, we know that the mature oaks and other trees are there and are important. The DNR staff work closely with ATC to significantly reduce the number of trees removed along Fish Hatchery Road from 20 just down to 8. In addition, 4 dead or hazardous trees located outside the easements will be removed as well. Along the northern boundary, approximately 58 spruce trees will be removed to maintain safety and clearance for the electrical infrastructure. Work began back in July and will be completed here by the end of August. If you have any questions about this project, you can reach out to the DNR office. That's 1-888-936-7463, and they can get you the information you need to know as they work through that project. And a reminder coming up here is the fall recycling event. If you haven't already got it on your calendar, you need to do so. The Fitchburg fall recycling event is scheduled for September 13th of 2025, and it features 2 great services. First, your paper shredding. You can bring up to 3 boxes of papers to be shredded. There are also electronics recycling going on as well, and that electronics recycling includes items like TVs, microwaves to be recycled. Those TVs and microwaves may come with extra fees. Other things that could be free for recycling could be computer towers, cords, wires, power supplies, cell phones, routers, modems, Christmas lights, laptops, tables, telephones, video game devices, cable, satellite boxes, and small electronics. No batteries are accepted at this collection. It is September 13th, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. here at the City Hall campus, 5520 Lacey Road. And the flyer's on the website that has the breakdown of different items that may cost extra for electronic recycling. Have a great day, everybody.